Si Swak on Wheels. Ilang hindi sila umandar. Void yung warranty.
Void ang warranty.
Advanced Thermofab has partnership with repair shops nationwide.
Hi mga ka-advance! Another truck, another day. Let's see kung ano ang ilalabas na special body truck ni Advance today. Ang ipapakita natin ay special body using Isuzu Travis. Not your ordinary Isuzu Travis passenger van, but a special body. A mobile kitchen using the one and only Isuzu Travis. As you can see, pumayag si owner, pumayag ang korporasyon na ipakita etong business nila para maging sample kung ano ang kayang gawin din ni Advanced Thermofab at ni Isuzu Travis sa isang special body. So now, I'm here. Look! Gaano pa kaluwag. 3 of them are multitasking. They can do everything. Yung order taking, luto, sa pagtimpla, and sa pag-serve. Well, nag-order ako sa kanila ng isang beef tapa. And dun sa special guest natin, mamaya, coming from Isuzu Manila, ako na nagdesisyon sa buhay niya. In-orderan ko siya ng tusina. Ako, beef tapa. So, nakikita nyo, diba? 3 kami dito. Kasya pa ang 4. So, ito yung front side. I think depende sa kanila kung saan nila sineset up itong dine-in, no? You see? Ang luwag niya. Fairness, oh, look. Wow! And then, on the other side, if you have the enough space na mapagpupwestuhan neto, ito yung ginawa ni Advance. So, dito pwedeng ibigay rin yung order habang meron kang nakaupo sa kabila na nagda-dine-in. As you can see, kanina, ang naka-display sa other side, or the foods, dito naman ginagawa ang drinks. Kaya kasya talaga ang 4 people. Yung cashier, yung gagawa ng drinks, yung magluluto, yung magpe-prepare ng niluluto. And then me. Hi, Sir Aljon!
Hello. Nice meeting you.
To everyone, this is Sir Aljon from Isuzu Manila, ang pinakagwapo, pinakamagaling. Eto na, Sir, ang ginawa namin sa Isuzu Travis.
Grabe, Ma'am Jackie. Ang ganda. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung magkakalabasan ng body natin.
Alam mo naman ang motto ko, bawal maglabas si Advance ng hindi maganda kasi magre-reflect yan dito. Halika.
I'm sure matutuwa si customer dito.
Well, actually, I invited you kasi maraming nagtatanong sa amin about sa warranty when it comes to Isuzu Travis. Para masagot na rin at maliwanagan ang mga viewers natin kung ano ba talaga ang scope ng warranty ng isang Isuzu Travis na ngayon is not your ordinary passenger van but as mobile kitchen. Yes. We call it a special body. Anything na hindi standard like si Isuzu Travis kasi is para siya sa passenger van. Anything na hindi mo gagawin as passenger van, we call it a special body. Also, special thanks to Swak on Wheels for giving us a chance to feature their mobile kitchen para kay Isuzu Travis. While waiting sa in-order ko na pagkain natin, ito yung number 1 question eh. Ano daw yung warranty scope ng isang Isuzu Travis? Una, kapag passenger van lang siya, yung standard.
For Isuzu, we have 3 years or 100,000 kilometers. It includes the engine, transmission, and power drivetrain.
Let's say, ito yung pinaka-best example natin as a special body using Isuzu Travis. Paano yung warranty niyan? Halimbawa, si Swak on Wheels, nagkaroon siya ng problema. Sino ba yung dapat niyang tawagan? Is it the Isuzu or si Advance na gumawa ng body nila?
Okay, good question, ma'am. Pero umpisa natin sa warranty.
Okay.
So, since customize yung warranty natin and yung specification na ni-request ni customer sa body builder sa dealership is hindi naman na-affect yung mga conditions ni Isuzu Philippines. So, pasok pa rin siya sa warranty.
Okay.
Warrantable pa rin siya. Kasi hindi naman nag-extend or hindi naman nag-cut.
Meaning, sagot pa rin ni Isuzu yung warranty.
Pasok pa rin siya. Kapag ka-Travis yung ginamit ni customer na cabin chassis, condition ni Isuzu Philippines is hindi ka pwedeng mag-extend. Hindi ka rin pwedeng magpukol. So,
hanggang saan lang ba si Isuzu Travis?
Kung 10 feet si Isuzu Travis, si chassis niya, 10 feet lang talaga siya. Pwede kang mag-extend sa height. Hindi lang pwedeng mag-extend sa haba.
May mga kliyente kasi tayo na gustong i-maximize nila eh. Na sasabihin naman namin sa part namin as manufacturing na pwede naman. Pero mag-aatay ng ganito, ganyan. Pagdating sa ganon, hindi nyo nasagot yun.
Yes.
Mabu-void yung warranty.
Void ang warranty. Sa end po ni dealership,
void yung warranty.
Void yung warranty. Even kay Isuzu Philippines.
Okay.
Magpo-provide tayo ng waiver na si customer is
pumapayag
na void yung warranty. Okay. And then, isa-sign niya lang yun.
Okay.
That's the time na i-allow natin siya gawin ni bodybuilder yung gusto niya na specification or modification sa body.
And that's the time Advanced Thermofab will do what the client wants. that's the time Advanced Thermofab will do the impossible to possible na hindi naman din ikakapahamak ng perang ininvest ni client sa unit and also ikakapahamak ng negosyo ni client. For more details, Sir Aljon?
For the YGC Group, we have 3 branches. Kontakin nyo lang si Isuzu Leyte page, Isuzu Commonwealth, and also Isuzu Manila.
Later, I have another guest coming from Advanced Thermofab na mag-explain naman ng warranty when it comes to Advanced Thermofab Manufacturing Corporation, all types of body. Andito pala, Sir Pao. Sir Pao, umupo ka dito.
Andito
May question kami sa'yo.
Oh, yeah.
To all of our viewers, this is Sir Paolo Tan. Kung kanina si Sir Aljon ang pinakagwapo ng Isuzu Manila, andito na ang pinakagwapo, nag-iisa ng Advanced Thermofab Manufacturing Corporation.
Hindi po, apakabulero lang po ng mundo.
May mga tanong lang kami, Sir Pao. Siyempre, di ba si Advanced kasi is a manufacturing na kayang gawin lahat sa isang cabin chassis from impossible to possible.
Correct.
Ano ba ang scope ng warranty natin when it comes to special body?
Well, number 1, the Advanced kasi always relying on the premise ng warranty, policy, instruction ng dealership, and also the mother company, which is, in this case, nakalagay kay Travis, bounded tayo ng policies and instructions ng ITC. To answer the question, ang warranty ng body ko, number 1 is 1 year for the body itself, kung may defect. Sa paint, mga 6 months, yan yung basic warranty features ng body ko. Pero, wala tayong ginalaw sa chassis, sa OEM ng sasakyan, wala akong ginalaw, wala akong nilipat na provision ng battery, gas tank, wala. It's all original. Kinomply ko ang policy ng dealership for the warranty not to be void, and the separate warranty of the body is ours naman sa atin.
So, our next question. Ano ang process ng warranty? Let's say, si Swak on Wheels. Ilang hindi sila umandal. Paano sila mag-reach out? Pupuntahan nyo ba sila? Dadaling ba yung sasakyan dito ulit? How's the process?
It's a good question, ma'am. It's the normal question ng mga nagpagawa sa atin ng special bond. But first and foremost kasi, the first contact would be the dealership, which is sa inyo, Aljon. Then the dealership will coordinate with us kung ano naging problem. Now, for sudden stoppage, I think that would be on the cab and chassis or the Isuzu to resolve the issue.
Okay.
Then after which, kung dadaling siya sa dealer, sa kasa, the kasa will coordinate sa atin sa advance.
Pero kapag yung body na mismo talaga yung, halimbawa, nagkaroon ng defect, kunyari yung mga kinabit natin sa body, biglang nagka-dent whatsoever, how Advanced Thermofab handle the after sales?
Well, the after sales, number 1, if the unit is in the dealership, we, our people, will go to the dealership to solve the issues.
Okay.
To look for the root cause of the issue. If it is manageable to do it in the dealership, we will do it also. And if not, we will request the owner and the dealership to bring the unit in advance para maayos natin thoroughly at to avoid the same mistake or the same problem na nangyari with the body.
Okay, my last question. Si Advanced Thermofab kasi is accredited bodybuilder ni Isuzu Philippines Corporation. It means we are nationwide. Kapag ka ang unit nasiraan within Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, which napaka-imposible nang dalhin dito ni client talaga, how Advanced Thermofab after sales will handle the situation?
Good question again. Actually, the Advanced Thermofab has this very, very keen partnership with the repair shops nationwide.
Which are accredited by Advanced Thermofab.
Of course, we have an internal arrangement with them that in case our clients has a problem encountered in their area, the client can easily bring the unit to that shop, accredited, and the payment or the arrangement over it is between Advanced and the supplier. The client has no obligation to pay if and when in case-to-case basis.
Okay, kasi as you can see, we have lots of Isuzu Travis here.
Correct.
This will be delivered in different city, nationwide. So, syempre, magkakaroon yan, hopefully, naman, nang hindi ganun karaming problema. Advanced Thermofab is preparing for the after sales of this mass production of Isuzu Travis. That's why, tinanong ko kanina kung paano ba hinahandle ni Advanced Thermofab kapag ka malayo na kay advanced na manufacturing location yung problema. And it was clearly answered by our one and only Sir Paolo Tan, the COO of Advanced Thermofab.
Grabe. Hindi ko inaasahan dito pala kayo,
Ha? Talaga ba?
Oo. Nakita ko lang, Swak, Lagi ko nakikita to all over the
Well,
place.
again, thank you, Swak on Wheels, for hiram netong unit nyo. Hi again, mga ka-advance. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung ginawa namin na content today about Isuzu Travis, kung hanggang saan yung kayang gawin ng isang Isuzu Travis. And I hope for the viewers, consider nyo na i-turn into on wheels yung mga negosyo nyo ngayon na umaasa lang sa walk-in clients. We have Isuzu na mag-assist sa inyo, and Advanced Thermofab can make it possible for you if you want your business to be on wheels. Yung kayo ang pupunta sa market, hindi na kayo yung may stress sa market. Thank you. That's it for today.